August is Washington Wine Month, a chance to celebrate an industry rooted in agriculture with an impact that reaches far beyond our state.
So I was fortunate to start in economic development with the city of Richland about 8 years ago. And when I came into the city, I inherited the economic gardening program through our Business License Reserve Fund.
Mandy is referencing commerce-led programs like economic gardening that give local economic developers the tools to help budding businesses flourish.
So what could they do to expand their business, to grow their business, to get into foreign direct investment, whatever it was that they were seeking in their business, which we didn't have really a big part of, they could get that counseling. So it was great through that program.
And when Washington businesses grow, that impact ripples across industries and communities.
It's the quality of our product, pure and simple. All of our agricultural products for that matter. This is an amazing agricultural area. It's an amazing agricultural state. And I think we do what no others can do domestically speaking. And we need to get better about telling that story, frankly, but it's really the quality of the product and the people that are here.
Washington Wine is a perfect example, connecting agriculture with hospitality, tourism, manufacturing, and trade.
So you really can't outsource what we do.
That means jobs at every step, while Washington-made products reach customers here at home and around the world.
We have crops that produce a value-added product that we sell not only domestically but around the world. We have employees from production all the way through sales, from entry level through high level executives. So we touch a lot of parts of the economy in the state, and overall the industry contributes almost $10 billion to Washington State's revenue and industry.